right, ladies and gentlemen, can we start the agenda now? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respectable guests, partners, and participants. I'm honored to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to this occasion. The virtual Memorandum of Understanding signing ceremony between IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon and International Cultural and Communication Center Malaysia. First and foremost, on behalf of IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, I would like to express our gratitude for your presence here today. Your participation underscores the significance of the partnership we are about to embark upon. Allow me to begin by extending a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed guests and partners from International Culture and Communication Center Malaysia. Welcome. We are delighted to have you join us in this collaborative endeavor. Your presence reaffirms our shared commitment to advancing mutual goals and aspirations. Moreover, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the key participants who will play pivotal roles in shaping the trajectory of this partnership. From IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, we have Professor Dr. Aan Jailani, Director of IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, Professor Dr. Hajam as a Vice Rector 3, Lala Bumila PhD is the Director of International Office of IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, and all respected guests from IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, whose dedication and expertise will undoubtedly contribute to the success of this collaboration. Equally, we are privileged to have Ms. Lu Huyan, the Managing Director of ICCCM, Mr. Benjamin, Deputy Managing Director of ICCCM, Ms. Cynthia, Indonesia Regional Manager, Mr. Ivan Habibillah, Business Development Executive, and Ms. Aisyah from International Communication and Cultural Center Malaysia, whose insights and leadership will be instrumental in realizing our shared objectives. Today, we gather here with a sense of purpose and anticipation as we embark on a journey of collaboration and synergy. The signing of this MOU symbolizes a significant milestone in our collective efforts to foster academic excellence, innovations, and cross-cultural understanding. Common challenges. Through this partnership, we aim to leverage our respective strengths and resources to address common challenges, promote knowledge exchange, and create impactful initiatives that benefit our communities and beyond. Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to each of you, and I look forward to the fruitful discussion and collaboration that lie ahead. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Professor Dr. Aan Jailani, who will deliver institution's dedication to fostering international research cooperation and cultural exchange. To Professor Dr. Aan Jailani, time is yours.
Sayyidina Muhammad, Sayyidina Muhammad. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure and anticipation that I extend warm welcome to each and every one of you gathered here today, albeit virtually, for this momentous occasion. Today marks a significant milestone in the journey of our esteemed institution, IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, as we embark on a new chapter of collaboration and partnership with the International Cultural and Communication Center in Malaysia. As Director of IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, I am honored to stand before you to express our unswerving commitment to fostering international research cooperation and cultural exchange. At IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, we firmly believe in the transformative power of education, research, and cultural engagement in shaping a more interconnected understanding world. The signing of this Memorandum of Understanding with ICCM Malaysia signifies our shared vision and dedication to advancing knowledge, understanding, and collaboration across borders. Through this partnership, we aim to create opportunity for meaningful exchange of ideas, perspective, and experiences that transcend geographical boundary and enrich the academic and cultural tapestry of our respective institutions. Our commitment to international cooperation is underscored by our belief in the power of collaboration to address complex global challenges and to drive innovation and progress. By working together with ICCM Malaysia, we seek to leverage our collective expertise and resources to explore new frontiers of knowledge and to contribute to the advance of scholarship in our respective field. Equally important is our commitment to cultural exchange, with less at the head of our mission as an institution of higher learning. We recognize the value of cultural diversity as a source of strength, creativity, and resilience, and we are committed to promoting cross-cultural understanding and appreciation among our student, faculty, and staff. Through joint initiatives such as student exchange, collaborative research project, and cultural event, we aim to foster a spirit of openness, dialogues, and mutual respect that transcend cultural differences and promotes a sense of belonging of community among our students and scholars. As we embark on this journey of partnership with ICCM Malaysia, I am confident that our collaboration will not only enrich the academic and cultural life of our institution, but also contribute to building bridge of understanding and cooperation between our two countries and beyond. In closing, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our counterpart at ICCM Malaysia for their partnership and friendship, and to all those who have contributed to making this collaboration a reality. Together, let us embrace the opportunity that lie ahead and work tirelessly to advance our shared goal and international research cooperation and cultural exchange. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Professor
Wabarakatuh.
Angelini, for delivering the speech. Following Rector's remarks, Mr. Lala Bumela Sudimantara, PhD, will share the goals and objectives of the partnership with the International Cultural and Communication Center. So, Mr. Lala, time is yours.
Wabarakatuh. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to welcome you all to this auspicious occasion as we come together to celebrate the signing of a memorandum of understanding between Yayan Syekh Nurjati Cirebon and the International Cultural and Communication Center in Malaysia. As the Director of International Office, I'm filled with pride and excitement as we embark on this journey of collaboration and partnership. At the outset, I would like to share with you our institution's transformative journey as we are evolving into UIN Cyber Syekh Nurjati Cirebon, or the first cyber state Islamic university in Indonesia. This transformation represents a bold step forward in embracing digital innovation and technology to enhance our academic offerings, research capabilities, and global outreach. It is a testament to our commitment to excellence and our determination to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing world. As we embark on this transformative journey, we recognize that it requires energy, inspiration, and collaboration from all stakeholders. By forging partnerships with esteemed institutions such as the ICCM Malaysia, we seek to leverage our strengths and resources to realize our vision of becoming a leading center of Islamic education, research, and innovation in the digital age. And Cirebon, our beloved city, is not only rich in history and arts, but also a melting pot of cultures and culinary delights. From majestic palaces and vibrant traditional markets to the intricate batik patterns and mesmerizing gamelan music, Cirebon captivates the hearts and minds of all who visit. And let us not forget the culinary treasures that our city has to offer, including the world-renowned empal gentong, nasi jamblang, tahu gujrot, and many, many more. And as we celebrate the rich cultural heritage and gastronomic delights of Cirebon, we also celebrate the spirit of collaboration and exchange that brings us together today. Through initiatives such as student exchanges, joint research projects, and cultural events, we aim to deepen our understanding of each other's cultures, forge lasting friendships, and foster mutual respect and appreciation. And in conclusion, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our partners at ICCM Malaysia for their collaboration and friendship. And together, let us embark on this exciting journey of partnership and cooperation, inspired by the rich cultural tapestry of Cirebon and fueled by our shared commitment to excellence and innovation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lala. Well, in the following agenda, we have the privilege of hearing from Ms. Lu Huian, the Managing Director of ICCCM. To Ms. Lu Huian, please.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Emma. So, very good morning to Professor Dr. An Jalani as the Director of Institute Agama Islam Syed Negeri Syed Nurjati Cirebon, the Vice Rector, the Director of International Office, and all representatives from the Institute Agama Islam Negeri Syed Nurjati Cirebon. So, and also very good morning to all our team members who are currently based in Malaysia and Indonesia. So first of all, thank you, Dr. An Jalani and Mr. La for introducing your universities and sharing with us on your interest for international collaborations in your speech just now. So distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, selamat pagi dan salam sejahtera semua. So I'm very pleased to be here for the signing of Memorandum of Understanding between Institute Agama Islam Negeri Syed Nurjati Cirebon and ICCM on our comprehensive partnership for strategic engagement in the future. So on behalf of ICCM, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all again for attending this virtual MOU signage event. The MOU that we are about to sign is to formalize the collaboration between us, and the purpose of this MOU is to collaborate on academic exchange and educational cooperations of mutual interest in the near future. So our collaboration will be based on a collective commitment to go beyond common boundaries, to build bridges between diverse faiths and people by connecting different parts of the world together through education's collaboration. So the MOU that we signed today is the beginning of what we believe to be a long relationship in which we will learn with and from each other through cooperative economic pursuits. So with this MOU and our enhanced partnership, we hope to implement more multilateral and bilateral international education collaboration projects of mutual interest in the near future. So ICCM is actually a center that is committed to promote education's economic and cultural exchanges among countries. We normally help schools to expand their internationalizations activities, improve the quality of those activities, and embed internationalizations in the policies. So we do so by organizing overseas teachers training, professional development abroad, education exchanges for international students and educators, as well as facilitations in institutionals and program collaboration, covering many levels of educations, from vocational educations and training to tertiary educations. So our regional managers for Indonesia, Ms. Cynthia, together with our team members in Indonesia, Mr. Iwan, our Deputy Managing Director, Mr. Benjamin, as well as the team in Malaysia and Indonesia, shall work under ICCM guidance to provide assistance on different education collaborations of mutual interest in education, language, and cultural exchanges. So I look forward to giving my full support in my capacity as the Managing Director of ICCM to make our collaboration fruitful. So I want to express my sincere gratitude again for all of your attentions and enthusiasms. We are truly excited about the possibilities that lie ahead in our collaboration with the Institute Agama Islam Negeri Syed Nurjati Cirebon. And we always look forward to welcoming the Prof. Dr. An Jalani together with your team to our offices, whether it's in Malaysia, in China, or Indonesia. So, and to end my speech, I would like to quote, "The key to building partnership, whether they are among social sector or among country, is a profound spirit of reciprocal obligations, a readiness to share the work, to share the cost, to share the credit. And in the end, what it will require the most is a spirit of mutual trust." So it is on this principle that we build our partnership today, and I wish our collaboration a great success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Anne. Well, these insightful speeches from Ms. Cynthia as the Indonesian Regional Manager of ICCCM that will provide an overview of the key provision and areas of collaboration outlined in the Memorandum of Understanding. So, Ms. Cynthia, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Maybe I can speak in Bahasa so that I can speak on this occasion. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih atas kesempatan yang telah diberikan pada hari ini. Terima kasih kepada jajaran pimpinan dari IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon dan juga seluruh tim yang telah hadir di hari ini. Dan kami ucapkan beribu terima kasih atas segala kesempatan yang telah diberikan kepada kami dan juga kesempatan yang luar biasa ini dengan kita bersama-sama menyaksikan signing MOU yang nantinya akan kami harapkan menjadi langkah pertama dan langkah ke depan untuk kita bisa mengimplementasikan seluruh kegiatan-kegiatan kita dimulai atau start dari kegiatan yang sederhana menuju ke langkah kegiatan yang lebih mendalam lagi. Kami harapkan kerjasama ini tidak hanya berjalan dalam waktu yang singkat, tetapi kerjasama kita dan usaha kita bersama ini untuk menjadikan internasionalisasi kedua belah pihak menjadi lebih berkembang. Kita harapkan ke depan itu menjadi sebuah hal yang langgeng atau yang jangka panjang ke depan. Dan kemudian saya harapkan kita bisa bertemu lagi, tidak hanya di sesi MOU atau kesempatan kali ini, tetapi kami ingin juga menggali potensi-potensi kerjasama dan menyusun langkah-langkah ke depan dengan melakukan meeting bersama, baik itu virtual maupun nantinya kita bisa berkunjung ke IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon. Dan kami juga berterima kasih atas dukungan dari seluruh pihak, baik dari IAIN Syekh Nurjati maupun dari tim ICCM atas terselenggaranya MOU ini. Sekali lagi, mohon maaf atas segala kesalahan kami, baik yang disengaja ataupun tidak, dan terima kasih.
Terima kasih, Ms. Cynthia. The following schedule or agenda we will have Mr. Ivan Habibillah as the Business Development Executive that will deliver his speech to us today. So, Mr. Ivan, time is yours.
Oh, well, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam hormat Pak Rektor, Prof. Azam, dan juga Mr. Lala yang menjadi menghubung dengan ICCM. Alhamdulillah pada pagi hari ini kita sudah melaksanakan setelah ditunda beberapa kali. So due to of the cancellation, then today that we are having a signing ceremony as well. And I do hope that for the next that there will be some implementation of our MOU commitment. So I think that this mutual benefit will work well for us all. And I do hope that after this that we are going to know each other what kind of priority program that has already been set from your institution that we can facilitate. setelah kemarin kita sudah sempat meeting di beberapa saat yang lalu, kita sudah ketemu dengan Mr. Lala, Miss Emma, dan tentunya digawangi oleh Prof. Azam ya, yang memang mengarahkan semua kolaborasi. Harapannya setelah MOU ini kita semakin erat hubungannya, sehingga kita bisa menentukan langkah apa yang baik itu short term maupun long term. As has been stated by Mr. Lala, it is the first Islamic institute that based on cyber. So it means that everything must be connected with the cyber. Okay, so that's it. I think it's really great to have you here, and I do hope that we will going further for the next for keep moving forward. Institut Agama Islam yang sedang berproses untuk menjadi universitas Islam. Saya berpikir ini sebuah kemajuan yang sebentar lagi ya, akan dicapai. Semoga semuanya lancar. Terima kasih. Demikian dari saya. Terima kasih, Miss Emma. Saya kembalikan ke Miss Emma. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Pak Ivan. So before we sign the memorandum of understanding, I will allocate a time for question or clarification regarding the content of the MOU. Maybe Mr. Lala and Pak Ivan, we can have some quick discussion about the MOU before we sign.
Sorry, Miss Lala, still mute your mic.
Oh, ini dimatiin. Can you hear me now, Pak Ivan?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. So we actually received a bunch of questions from our colleagues about the MOU actually. Pak Ivan mungkin bisa share sedikit tentang gambaran MOU masa depan, karena memang kami sepakat dengan Bu Cynthia juga bahwa kemitraan ini tidak hanya jangka pendek tapi jangka panjang. Karena di
Baik.
obrolan kita kemarin kan dalam konteks kurikulum Merdeka itu konsep internasionalisasi kampus itu menjadi prioritas kami di sini gitu ya.
Baik.
Mangga Bapak bisa share sedikit barangkali
Ya.
terkait itu.
Baik. As I have already presented through my PowerPoint last time, so I think that our mutual collaboration, yang jelas Bapak Ibu, kita mengedepankan 4 aspek. There are 4 aspects. That is, first is friendship. Yang pertama kita adalah persaudaraan, and then mutual benefit. Bagaimana kita menjalin hubungan ini untuk saling memberikan keuntungan kepada kedua belah pihak, and then also we have also equal dialogue. Kita juga selalu mengedepankan dialog dalam posisi yang setara, yang sama, sehingga apa yang menjadi prioritas program dari universitas ataupun institut dalam hal ini IAIN Syekh Nurjati menjadi terfasilitasi. Yang terakhir adalah we have also cultivate multi talents. Kami menyadari bahwa ada bakat-bakat yang tentunya perlu kita gali. Semua institusi mempunyai satu inclusiveness dan juga perbedaan-perbedaan. Tetapi jangan sampai hal tersebut menjadi hambatan di dalam kolaborasi. Ada banyak program Pak Rektor yang sudah kita lakukan di meeting sebelumnya, yaitu pemaparan tentang program-program kami. Salah satunya we have also foreign language skill training. Kita juga punya pelatihan bahasa juga skill, yang kita percaya bahwa selembar sertifikat ataupun ijazah itu penting, tetapi yang tidak kalah penting adalah bagaimana penguasaan skill ini menjadi prioritas utama. Jadi ICCM dalam hal ini selalu mengedepankan skill, penguasaan skill yang menjadikan target kita, di samping tentunya sertifikat sebagai legal formalnya. Kita juga punya teacher training program. Kita juga punya memberikan fasilitas kepada para dosen, para guru, ataupun mahasiswa untuk mengenyam sebuah pengalaman yang kira-kira memberikan manfaat di luar negeri. Misalnya para dosen kita berikan kesempatan untuk mengajar di kelas internasional yang mana dalam kesempatan itu bisa terjadi hubungan baik itu secara pembelajaran atau peningkatan kualitas atau quality development dan juga bahkan research collaboration, Pak Rektor. Jadi harapan-harapan apa yang diajukan oleh IAIN Senurjati Cirebon ini kita akan coba tampung kemudian untuk kita fasilitasi yang mana menjadi prioritas-prioritas program sehingga kita bisa susun skala prioritas. Oleh karena itu, banyak sekali program-program yang sebenarnya bisa kita kolaborasikan. Bahkan kita juga punya namanya Transnational Education Partnership. Nah, kita juga mungkin di Indonesia lebih terkenal dengan nama entah itu Joint Degree atau yang lainnya. Kita juga punya dengan konsep 2+1+1, artinya 2 tahun mungkin awal tahun kedua 2 tahun itu berkuliah di IAIN Senurjati Cirebon, terus tahun ketiganya itu belajar di China untuk mendapatkan diplomanya, dan keempat kembali ke Syekh Nurjati Cirebon untuk menyelesaikan S1-nya. Pada tahun 1 dan kedua nanti ada pendampingan dari kampus partner kita yang ada di luar negeri tentunya. Itu yang program TIP. Kita juga punya program-program seperti benchmarking visit. Artinya dosen-dosen diberikan kesempatan untuk mengunjungi beberapa institusi yang ada di luar negeri, Pak Rektor, yang mana di situ nanti kita harapkan terjadi kolaborasi ataupun bisa terjadi irisan-irisan yang mana ditujukan untuk perbaikan kualitas baik itu namanya studi tiru atau studi banding dan lain-lain. Kita juga memfasilitasi hal-hal tersebut, Pak Rektor. Kita juga masih banyak program lain. Kita juga untuk tidak hanya untuk para dosen, Pak Rektor, tetapi juga untuk mahasiswa. Kita punya international competition. We have annual international competition, yang mana tema-temanya kita selalu update yang kira-kira memang lagi dibutuhkan. Contohnya kita juga pernah AI, artificial intelligence yang sekarang juga tentunya digalakkan. Terus kita pernah punya EV, ya electrical vehicle, mobil listrik yang juga pemerintah juga menjadikan program ini sebagai program unggulan. Kita juga pernah memberikan kesempatan mahasiswa kita untuk unjuk untuk sebagai entrepreneurship, bagaimana kewirausahaan dan juga ada logistik dan sebagainya. Yang mana kita paham bahwa logistik sekarang menjadi salah satu bisnis yang menjanjikan. Kita sudah banyak e-commerce, tentu logistik sistemnya kita lombakan bagaimana membuat satu sistem logistik yang sangat efisien dan menarik. Kita juga memberikan kesempatan kepada mahasiswa-mahasiswa kita. Saya sudah sering mengatakan bahwa seringkali para dosen yang berkesempatan untuk ke luar negeri selalu mengupload status dan sebagainya, tetapi kadang-kadang lupa porsi mahasiswa ini tidak pernah dimunculkan di dalam internasionalisasi program kita. Nah, alangkah lebih baik menurut kami ketika dosen memang perlu dosen untuk internasionalisasi, tapi jangan lupa bahwa mahasiswa pun perlu. Kita siap untuk memfasilitasi KKN di luar negeri, international community service untuk pengabdian masyarakat. Jadi semua program kita berdasarkan bagaimana Tridharma terfasilitasi, Tridharma perguruan tinggi terfasilitasi, tetapi juga kita memahami bagaimana pengembangan MBKM. Demikian Pak Lala, Pak Prof. Azam, dan juga Pak Rektor. Terima kasih. Mungkin tetap nanti untuk file, presentation dan sebagainya, tetap nanti saya melalui Pak Lala jika memang ini diperlukan sebagai dokumen bagaimana kita mempertimbangkan untuk ke depannya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum
Terima kasih
warahmatullahi
Pak
wabarakatuh.
Ivan. Kebetulan sekali kampus kami mulai tahun ini mulai menginisiasi pembukaan kelas internasional, Pak Ivan.
Wow, that's
Rektor mau
great.
menambahkan sedikit, Bapak? Ada kelas internasional, kolaborasi internasional, dan juga benchmarking internasional akan diperbanyak mulai tahun ini.
Oh,
Rektor
bagus.
mau menambahkan sedikit, Pak Rektor?
Mantap.
Baik.
Beberapa program internasionalisasi di kampus antara lain adalah dari sisi dosen bukan hanya untuk pertukaran visiting lecture,
Iya.
tapi juga bisa riset kolaboratif, kemudian join mengajar ya, bolak-balik Malaysia Indonesia,
Iya.
Cina. Kemudian juga justru yang menjadi prioritas utama tahun ini adalah mahasiswa. Kami berharap bukan hanya mahasiswa YIN Cirebon yang sedemikian banyak berkegiatan di luar negeri, tentu sesuai dengan skala priority, bukan hanya untuk pengembangan kompetensi, tapi juga adalah lebih pada sebuah keberlanjutan dari sistem yang ingin kita bangun ya secara inklusif. Mudah-mudahan ini menjadi inspirasi dan berkelanjutan
Siap.
untuk kita tindak lanjut dengan sekian program.
Terima kasih Pak Rektor. Nanti mungkin detail
Iya,
mengenai prioritas programnya bisa dibahas di sesi lanjutan Pak Ivan dan tim.
Betul,
Thank you.
betul. Tapi sangat menarik ini ada kelas internasional itu. Kebetulan gabung dengan kita ini Mr. Benjamin ini our leader in business development. Maybe a little speech from Mr. Benjamin, please.
Yes, please, Mr. Benjamin.
Mr. Benjamin.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just now, we have heard so many different possibilities, research collaborations and also the joint program, and also what caught our attention would be the visiting scholars and also the visiting professors, to have your experts and also your lecturers, to go over, to have a mobility program in Tiongkok. I think this is something very much doable, and it would be something that will be putting some highlight on this program for this year. Definitely, we are also in the stage, to collect more different databases for the expert from different areas. So we are very much welcoming, all of the professors and also the doctors, to submit their CV, through our motherboard ITEA, so that we can propose back to our partners institution and also our China office, over the expert that we have had, from your institution. If there are some matches that are being selected, and then we will very much to inform back to your end, and then we can see what can we actually do about the professor and doctor that we're going to send it to Tiongkok. Yeah. All right.
Thank you for the
so
information,
much.
Mr. Benjamin. Pak Ivan, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Lala.
Thank you very much. What a very fruitful discussion. So finally, we will proceed with the formal signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between YIN Chandra Jati Cirebon and the International Cultural and Communication Center, Malaysia. To Ms. Lu Huyen and Mr. Professor Dr. Anjailani, you may sign the document and show it to the camera. All right, we will take a picture. Mas Ardan, ready Mas Ardan? All right, thank you very much. This symbolic act will signify our commitment to the shared objectives outlined in the agreement and mark the beginning of a fruitful collaboration between our institutions. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude this event, let us carry forward the spirit of camaraderie, collaborations, and optimism that has permeated our discussion today. Together, let us leverage our collective strengths and resources to address common challenges, promote knowledge exchange, and create positive impact in our respective communities and beyond. I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to all those who have contributed to the success of this event, including the organizing committee. In closing, let us look forward to the opportunities and possibilities that lie ahead as we embark on this journey of collaboration and partnership. Together, we can achieve great things. Before we close this event, I would like to invite all participants to join us for a group photo to commemorate this special occasion. Let us capture this moment of collaboration and partnership together. Everyone can open the camera. Okay, thank you very much. In closing, let us look forward to the opportunities and possibilities that will lie ahead as we embark on this journey of collaboration and partnership. Together, we can achieve great things. Thank you once again. I wish you all continued success in your endeavors. Thank you very much for the ICCCM and all the respectable guests from Yayasan Sandayoga Cirebon. See you next time in different occasion. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, Pak Ivan and
Yeah, thank you.
Miss Aisha. And
Thank
also,
you.
well, thank you very much. Hope to see you again next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alhamdulillah.